Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use auto door unlock. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind your steering wheel. Here you need to navigate by using both arrows on the steering wheel. Let's use, for example, the right arrow to highlight the settings. If you highlight settings, let's press OK button to open those settings. After all, you need to scroll down a few times until you see the vehicle settings. Press here OK button to enter this section. In the vehicle settings, you need to scroll down one more time to highlight locking, press locking again, and here let's choose the third option, which is auto door unlock. Let's press it. So basically, it determines when the car should let everyone out. Right now, I'm using Shift to Park, so all doors will automatically unlock as soon as you move the gear shifter into the parking position. You can change it to power off, so if you power off the device, if you power off the car, it will automatically unlock the doors, or you can choose off, so you will decide when to unlock the door. You will have to do this manually. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.